I came by Rubey here, and we're back once again. And like I always say, this topic, all topics, everything we get into is what? Always a good topic. Today, the topic at hand is the key. But before we get to the key, let's talk about ourselves. What does I came by Rubey always say? Start from within, change and glow, and let that flow go. And today's topic is a good one, like I always say. Every topic has to be a good one. If it's not, come on, we're on this channel for positivity. We gotta push each other forward. And a little bit off topic here. If you know something, like I said in other videos, then you pass it on. This is not a one-way street; it's two-way. Help whoever it is. And this channel I've always got just to get that mind going. The mentality, let's get it going. Mind, body, spirit is one. The key. Key's great. I love the key because when I started getting into this and studying about it, I was like, what is this key? This key means tons of stuff to tons of different people from different belief systems. Another thing that they incorporate sometimes is a doorway, a door, right? Now, what is a door? When you walk through a door, let's break it down a little bit. To me, when you walk through a door, is from going into one room into another room, right? Or it could be tons of stuff that it could symbolically mean. Going from one thing to another. Meaning what? Getting rid of the old, starting the new. Oh, it could go on and on and on, but let's stick to the topic at hand, the key. So that key belongs to you. It is the key to your destiny. I want you to take that key and start closing the old doors that you have and start to open those new doors of opportunity. Now, sometimes you say, well, Rube, what is this key? What if I don't know what it is, Dad? Okay, but if you don't know how to use it to control it, doesn't matter. You're gonna learn. All of us is different. I could say one thing to you and it'll mean 10 different things to other people, and that's the whole point. We're all different. What I receive out of it, what you receive out of it, what they receive out of it, just think about yourself and how to make yourself better. So take that key to your destiny and don't ever give it away. A lot of times we like to hand that key to other people. Give people our power over us. Can you believe that? Yes, I've done it myself. Now, when you get control and get that key back and you hold on to say, no, I'm in control of my own destiny now. That's it, nobody else. Oh, now you're getting your spirit, body, mind, and align. And you're going through that new doorway and letting that light shine upon you and taking in everything good that you want in your life. Everything that's bad, close those doors. Everything that's good that you want to come into your life, open the doors and receive them. Let them come in. And one thing I want to tell you is take that key of destiny and achieve it, whatever you want in life, because you can. You hold the key to open all the doors that you want and all the bad doors or anything else that you want to lock up and put away. Forget about it. What if I told you you don't have to have the one key, you have numerous keys. So every time you lock up one of those, I have get that out of here. I got tons of them and only keys to open up those good doors. Say goodbye to the old, bring in the new, and make yourself a new person. I came by Rubey. From my heart to you, I wish you all the blessings. Whatever you can achieve, I know you'll do it. Oh, yes, you will. Because in this channel, we're here to make it and make people what? Positive way, move on in life, and achieve everything and set all their goals. And most importantly, help others. Be humble. Let all those good blessings come in. And thank you so much for all your support. I came by Rubey.